Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will solve some practice questions for CPC exam related to CPT. To solve some more questions related to CPT, you can check the playlist CPT Practice Question Series. Let's start with the first question for today. Read the question. True or false? A total abdominal hysterectomy and an oophorectomy performed within the same surgical session should be reported separately. So, is it true or false? The right answer is option B, false, because the code for total abdominal hysterectomy is 58150. So, that code includes with or without removal of ovary, right? Therefore, the oophorectomy may not be reported separately when performed with total abdominal hysterectomy. Let us solve next question. Dr. Joyce performs a bilateral corpora cavernosa saphenous vein shunt. Select the correct code for this procedure. You can also solve this question by using elimination method, that is, before reading the question, we'll check the options. In option A, B, C and D, they have mentioned 54420 and 54430. Let us check these two codes. The code 54420 is for corpora cavernosa saphenous vein shunt, unilateral or bilateral, and the code 54430 is for corpora cavernosa spongiosum shunt, unilateral or bilateral. So which among these two codes is the right one? If you choose the code 54420, then you're absolutely right, because that is for corpora cavernosa saphenous vein shunt, which is exactly mentioned in the question, and the code already involves unilateral or bilateral. Therefore, we should not append modifier 50. Okay? When you're solving questions in your exam, please make sure you check all these things, that whether the code includes unilateral or bilateral. If it does not include bilateral, then you have to append modifier 50. But if the code includes the word bilateral, then you need not append modifier 50. Therefore, we'll eliminate option D, that is wrong. Option C is eliminated because they have mentioned the code twice. We need not code it twice because the code already includes the term bilateral, and in option B they have appended modifier 50, that is also wrong. The right answer is option A. Let us move on to the next question. Before reading the question, we'll check the options. Check option A, 51840. 51840 is for anterior vesico-urethropexy or urethropexy, simple. And option B, 51841 is for anterior vesico-urethropexy or urethropexy, complicated, example secondary repair. And the code in option C, 53440 is for sling operation for correction of male urinary incontinence. And the code in option D, 53899 is for unlisted procedure of urinary system. Now let us check the main terms in the question. In the question, they have mentioned Mr. Bill has urinary incontinence. The urologist performs an anterior vesico-urethropexy to correct the incontinence. The physician documented that this was a complicated repair. Okay, so the right code will be 51841. That is for anterior vesico-urethropexy or urethropexy, complicated. Okay, we'll eliminate option A because that is for simple procedure. But in the question they have mentioned complicated. So eliminate option A, and option C will eliminate because that is for sling operation for correction of male urinary incontinence. That is not mentioned in the question, that is wrong. And option D is unlisted procedure. But we already have a code for anterior vesico-urethropexy, that is 51841 for complicated. Therefore, the right answer is option B. I hope you are clear with it. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel CodeMed Mastery.